Today, I did my project on Trent University. Residence and tuition. The tuition to go to Trent University is $8,008.41 if you don't live in Ontario. The residence can cost anywhere between $9,000 and $12,000. In the top right, you can see a one-bedroom room from the campus in Durham. And in the bottom right, you can see a one-bedroom room from the campus in Peterborough. This is what a two-bedroom room will look like in Peterborough. Location, weather, and population. Well, the first campus is located in Peterborough, Ontario, and the second one is in Durham. The weather, it gets awfully cold in the winter, and January, February, and March are all below zero average, with July being the hottest month, getting to about 20 degrees. The populations. Ontario has a population of about 13.5 million, with Peterborough having about 84,990. Programs. The three programs I picked were nursing, criminology, and forensics. I picked nursing because it's a popular occupation that people will go into if they want money. And it's just popular for people to do. And I picked criminology and forensics because that's what interests me, and which is why I chose this university. This is one of the only universities in Canada to offer forensics. And that interests me because a future occupation that I'd like to be is a CSI, or crime scene investigator. The entry requirements to get into Trent University is a B minimum, or a 3.0 GPA. A 70% in English 12 will do, at the very least, and you have to have at least 4 grade 12 academic programs. The student life. Trent has excellent sport programs for volleyball, soccer, and more. They have workout zones and gyms across the campus, as well as 70 restaurants. They have all sorts of food, including Belgian, Greek, Spanish, and Mexican food. And there's plenty of things to do, as Toronto downtown is only 90 minutes away. They also have some excellent sport teams, like the Toronto Raptors, the Toronto Blue Jays, and a team in the MLS for soccer. Famous people that went to Trent U. On the left, we have Stephen Stone. He's a TV producer most famous for the Degrassi TV series, and he is now the Chancellor at Trent University. In the middle, we have Nathan Cullen. He is a Canadian federal politician who was a member of Parliament, and in 2012 he was a candidate in the leadership election for the New Democratic Party. On the far right, we have Yann Martel, an author most famous for his award-winning book, The Life of Pi, based on a 16-year-old boy who survives at sea with his pet. It was an international bestseller. And that's my project on Trent U.